Hi, welcome to Professor Kev Show. I got my friend Rhea with us from Restoring Rainbows. Good afternoon, Rhea. Welcome to the show.
Good afternoon. Thank you, Professor Kev. How are you doing?
Just living the dream. Thanks for coming on the show today. So let's jump right in. Restoring Rainbows. Tell us about it. Why'd you start it?
Yeah, so I started Restoring Rainbow South Lake the summer before my junior year. And what we do is that I wanted to address the gap between essential access to school supplies and art supplies for underprivileged students. So by recycling and donating our school supplies, what we do is that we, one, aim to reduce waste, and two, mitigate the education crisis by supporting the educational needs of children who struggle to afford them.
That's a really interesting point because sometimes we just take it for granted that people have like art supplies or school supplies. And I know even as a college professor, I've had students show up and I'm like, okay, take out your notebooks, you can take some notes. And you see who's got any extra piece of paper for me? And
Mhm.
okay, how do you get that education if you don't have the supplies to take notes?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, equal access is just very difficult in today's world, and I think we can start by changing the education system.
So what got you to do this? Because this kind of feels personal to me.
Yeah, I think just I've seen because I used to live in Fort Worth ISD in Texas, and I think something I noticed was that there was just definitely a lack of educational access to school supplies and art supplies. Like I looked around my classmates, and like you said, along with your college class, there's just a lack of access to notebooks in general and pencils and pens. And I wanted to help mitigate this crisis by coming here
So
and start.
so crystal ball time. What's the future hold? Are we looking to expand the idea?
Yeah, most definitely. So, what we've done is that we've partnered with schools such as Carol ISD, community centers, and nonprofits to help set up donation centers or raise our awareness about the issue of educational inequality. And something else we've started is our international research collaboration with Surabaya, Indonesia. So, Restoring Rainbows is an international collaboration branch, and we're the branch of South Lake. We have research aides from different parts of the world, including Australia, Canada, and India, and we're still in the process of conducting research. Now, also on the local side, we're expanding and we're grateful for the support that we've received. We have currently received over 770 school and art supplies. So, although I started this summer, we started receiving donations in September. Now, as you're asking for the future, we hope to alleviate the burden of and mitigate the educational crisis.
So what's the best way for people to reach out to you? How can I learn more so they can help?
I think the best way is for our email, all lowercase, restoring rainbows at southlake@gmail.com or through our LinkedIn or our official website, which you can find by Googling it.
Awesome, Ray. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you, sir.